Hello traders. The title of the video is how to trade a double zigzag pattern like a pro. Now, I would like to recommend to traders to watch the first video that I recorded about the double zigzag pattern. The title of that video is Mastering Double Zigzag Pattern and Complex Waves. That video has been posted at 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel, digit 2, digit 4, Elliott Waves in plural, YouTube channel. Be sure to watch that video so you may understand what is a double zigzag and everything else that you need to know about the double zigzag. In this tutorial, I want to show traders how to trade, practically speaking, the double zigzag pattern. Alright? So you are an elliottwave trader or you are a technical trader and you have recognized or labeled something a double zigzag. Alright? Now how are you trading after recognizing that double zigzag pattern? The pattern is completed, you have identified, you are happy to see it, you say alright, this is a zigzag followed by a free followed by a zigzag. Alright? So you say, all right, how do we trade it? Okay. Technically speaking, there are steps that we take when we are trading the double zigzag. The first step that you need to understand is to place on your chart the pitchfork tool. Here it is. Why? Did you ask that question? You are unbelief boy or unbelief girl. All right. The reason is the double zigzag is a corrective wave, and usually when we see that a corrective wave is completed, we are expecting a trending phase or an impulse wave. And the pitchfork tool allows us to determine the possible path that the trend will take or the impulse wave will take. So when you recognize or you have identified or labeled something that you call a double zigzag, as a technical trader, remember to draw the first pitchfork tool. You want to connect the low of the frame. This is what we call frame. That's why I recommend to you that video. So if I'm using some term that you do not understand, you want to check that video that I call Mastering Double Zigzag and Complex Wave at the 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel. So I don't want to annoy other traders that have already watched the video. So this is what we call frame. If you want to connect the low of the frame, this is the frame, and the high of the frame, and the low of the second zigzag. With those 3 points, you are able to draw the pitchfork tool. If you are a new trader, you say, George, I never heard about a pitchfork tool, go to Day Pro Traders, all right, YouTube channel, check our video or playlist about pitchfork tool, or go to dayprotraders.com. Okay? Very, very important pitchfork tool. Draw it on your chart. Once you draw that first pitchfork tool, remember, divide the first half of divide the lower half of the pitchfork tool into two. So this is the lower half of the pitchfork tool. This is the upper half of the pitchfork tool. So you want to divide both halves of the pitchfork tool. Why are you doing that? The reason why you need to do those is because you want to look for trading opportunity on or near one of those lines. Talking about the top of the pitchfork tool is sell, the median line of the pitchfork tool, the median line of the upper half of the pitchfork tool, and also the median line of the lower half of the pitchfork tool. When you draw those lines, try to connect them with the horizontal key levels. Why? Did you ask that question? You are amazing. The reason is the intersection between any part of the pitchfork tool lines and the horizontal key level are what we call a hot spot trading zone. Can you see one here? So this is the key levels. Can you see that? This is the key levels. Well, horizontal key level. Have you seen any intersection? There is one intersection between that horizontal key level and the pitchfork tool, and another one here. So this is a hot spot trending zone. This one also is a hot spot trending zone. It's also a hot spot. Look at, was there a trading setup there? Look at that. Right, gashing up. It come into that zone. And the common center line is broken. Near a hot, I told say to trader that the hot spot trending zone is not just a point. We can draw many trend lines through that point. Here it is. At a hot spot trending zone. Okay? Connect the horizontal key levels with what? Okay, the pitchfork tool. Okay, there's another one here. Can you see here? Bounce up. Okay, that's very interesting to us now. That's where the price is now. Okay, so we have again a hot spot trading zone here. Why? Because we have an intersection of the lower half of the pitchfork tool and this horizontal key level. So you want to draw them. Okay, what you can do, you can just put them on your chart like this, and then when the price near that level, you can highlight it to make it really big. It does not, I'm saying it, pay attention, it does not mean that definitely the price will change direction there because it did change direction here, that definitely will change direction here. No, it doesn't mean that. Okay, it's not because you make it thick, all right, that definitely it becomes a strong support. I'm speaking to new traders, all right. So this is what you need to do. So all you are doing, all right, once you draw the pitchfork tool and you draw the median line of each half and you connect them with the horizontal key level to identify where are the hot spot trading zone, where excellent trading setup usually appear. Like now, I'll be very interested in these trades here. I'm on a monthly chart. We are looking only for trading setup. So here we had before a hot spot trading zone, yes or no? All right. So we have done our area wave analysis. We have identified a double zigzag. That's what we have done. Once we have finished that, as an area wave trader, we place that pitchfork through our chart and we do everything else that I've said before. And we just wait. What are we waiting for? We are looking for trading setup on or near one of those key levels. What I say to pitchfork to traders at day pro traders, very often you see this angle here. I say to them, the price will always do, very often will do that. It will go from this angle, boom, 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 and touch the median line. Very often. You are not the only one expecting. Very often you see that. You hit the median line, and then you pull back to retest the. Sometimes we come back to retest here. So usually you see, you go from this angle, you go all the way to touch it, and then you come back to retest it here. Before you go back up again. But if it's coming down from here, there is a support, which is the median line of the lower half of the pitchfork tool. So in this case, as it was coming down, it couldn't touch this level, but it found a support on the edge of the median line of the lower half of the pitchfork tool. Understand also that the intersection of any moving average, especially moving average 200, moving average 100, moving average 50, and any part of the pitchfork tool is also what? A hot spot trading zone. So this is a hot spot trading zone here. Why? Because we have the moving average 200 crossing through the median line of the lower half of the pitchfork tool. As I told you, the hot spot trading zone is not just a point. You see that the price came down to touch this level. It's referring to this hot spot trading zone. Don't see the hot spot trading zone as just a point. Watch it horizontally, watch it vertically, watch it diagonally, all over the place. It's a very powerful, it's attracting the price. And the price now at a hot spot trading zone. So we, as an area wave trader, we want to get paid, yes or no, all right? We have done our area wave analysis to forecast the next price move. The second zigzag is completed, the corrective wave is completed. We are expecting an impulse wave That impulse wave can fail, that trending phase can fail. But we know that there will be a kind of move. We want to catch it. We use the pitchfork tool to find the best place to enter the trend. So as the price start going now from here, you see, so first scenario is that the common set trend line of the last section of the second zigzag here is broken. Boom, you say, all right, give me the first higher low after this one. That will be your intention. Common set trend line is broken. You see, here it is. That's the signal that we're about to begin a new move. But then you want to make sure your concern is that you know how to trade, you are nearly a trader, you are now expecting a good setup at a good place, a high probability trading setup on the edge. And if you see one, okay, which is this one here, so there was this low, followed by a higher low. Now we are talking. Are you seeing it? In fact, you see, there was this low here, you see, with a long tail here. And the price, what the price did, the price went below, and then went back, breakable, and it retested in here. And the common set trend line is broken. The next step is to use a different time frame trading method. So if you are an elliottwave trader, okay, you have been using elliottwave, and you are struggling, try to improve your knowledge and your skill about a different time frame trading method. You want to search the phrase mastering top-down trading method by 24 stock trader, digit 2, digit 4 stock trader. It's a playlist of 5 videos and you want to watch them all. Watch them all. If you do not understand my accent, breathe in, breathe out, pay attention. Wear your earphone and pay attention carefully. Do not watch it anywhere else. That will help you to improve your market timing. So you have recognized the pattern. It's not the end. Now you are looking for a trading setup. So you may say, Joe, why can't you enter here on the edge? Yes, you can. If the common settlement is broken, you want to catch it at the end of the second zigzag, implement a top-down trading method. But you can adopt a more composed approach, which means you stay calm, you say, all right, anything is possible. Let them give me a very nice setup on the edge. And they give you nicely here, forming a double bottom. Okay, here. Say, all right. Okay, I'll give it a chance. You implement a top-down trade method. Sometimes you may enter the trade, and they will take you out. You say, oh, why it didn't work? Don't get emotional. Don't let them throw you out only to run away with it. You see, you want to make sure you get paid. That's the thing. All right, so this is it. All right, here it is. So sales are going up. So price start going up. So now we have. So now this is about practically how do you get paid. Are you paying attention to what I'm doing now? I'm dwelling on it. So because there are a lot of elliottwave traders letting themselves down. This is what I don't like. You should not let yourself down. That's what I hate about some elliottwave traders letting themselves down. So now we are now concentrating on the price. So here it is from a higher low here. Okay, so we have now a trend line. We connected this point and this point. We are not forgetting about everything else that we had done before. So now here it is. You are looking for breakable retest. So it breaks above the median line of the lower half of the pitchfork tool and then retest it here. So you are looking for places and points where you can enter the trend. When you see that the breakable retest, a trend line, connect it with the horizontal line. Where are we horizontally? Not only the trend line. So here it breaks above and retest that median line. Horizontally, you see, this is good. You see, it's a resistance. Sometimes when traders are using trend line, they forget about the horizontal key level. Yeah, this is a good one, a good place. I will be interested to enter the trade at this point. Then I can hide my stop loss below this horizontal key level. Taking it up, what is the next key resistance level? the median line or the pitchfork tool, or you can divide again this half into two if you want to. Between the median line and this median line, you can divide it also into two. Okay, you see? So it touches the top again. You find a support, and come back again, coming down. Look, on the edge again. This is the median line of the lower half. Touch the median line, pull back, touch it here. Common center is broken. In fact, it's nice one here. 1, 2, 3. Minimum price is free. Implement. Look at this candlestick bar. Look at this pin. It's a candlestick bar piercing through a key level and a trend line. And we are also on the edge of that trend line, you see. So now you switch into practical technical trading. You are not just jumping on it all over the place. So here you take it here, resistance there. Now it breaks a ball, retest, common center line is broken, implement a top-down trading method. So they bring it all the way up here. A hot spot trading zone. Remember that. So in a nutshell, after identifying a double zigzag, your job as an elliottwave trader is completed. Now the next step is the practical technical trading. Drawing trend line, drawing pitchfork tool, drawing median line, connecting the horizontal key level and a trend line, looking for high probability trading setup on the edge at a hot spot trading zone. And if you identify one, you want to make sure you implement a different time frame trading method to trade it. Now, I said to traders that have been following me for years, they can close their ears now because I said it 100 times. If you are not using a different time frame trading method, you are not trading like a pro. The different time frame trading method consists of using at least 2 times frame minimum. Normally, we use a 3 time frame. 1 time frame for the setup, another time frame for the signal, and another time frame for the entry. You want to polish that and give yourself the best trading setup. The best trading setup usually will occur where? At a hot spot trading zone. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today is the Bank of New York Mellon Corporation, Epic DK Bravo Kilo. You can see that at a hot spot trading zone here, we have an excellent high probability trading setup here. If there was a resistance here, people showed it there. We again at the same resistance. The first intention will be to sell. So we will say prior to bullish signal above, prior to bearish signal below, and it's solid down. Now the price does not go down for no reason. Now we have 1, 2, 3. We are now at a key level. So we'll say again, you see, same thing here. We'll say again here. If you are interested in trading this stock at this junction, we'll say to you prior to bullish signal above the level of 4243 and prior to bearish signal below 4243. Beautiful number, 4243. That's it. And then again, in order for you to get paid for that, you must use a different time frame trading method. So we say monthly chart, prior testing a hot spot trading zone. We go to the daily chart, you see, the bounce, you see, that's the bounce there. It's bouncing like a tennis. You run too fast, and you touch it, you bounce a bit. You want to be very patient, okay, very patient. So now, here it is. The trend line, common trend line, here it is, okay. Now, it's retesting issue here, so you break it now. Today, here it is. Is that today? Am I talking to myself? The 6th of May, 2019. Oh, 5th of May. All right? 5th of May. Sorry. What am I talking about? Did you see the mistake? 5th of June. We already, the May is gone, yeah? 2019, here, June, it's June. Not a 5th of June 2019. The time in London, 29 minutes past 8. New York will be closed in the next 30 minutes. Okay, you see now? So again, you see now you're on a daily chart. You are looking for your signal. Right? So I'll put it here. So I'll put there is a support on the daily chart in this zone. All right. break below that support level on the daily chart. It's on the edge. Careful, careful. You may be very patient for another higher low after this. All right? So there is no signal yet, only this common signal is broken. So now we on the, if you want to play it, you're on the daily chart, no signal is no clear, it's no setup right now. Okay, go investigate more. Different time frame now on the daily, on the hourly time frame. The minimum you can expect, maybe you may say, all right, now on the hourly time frame, Joe, speak to me, please. It's come out of that channel on the hourly time frame. It's trying to retest it. It will prefer either to form a double bottom here or a higher low, or it may break below it and retest it and then continue to go down more. All right? Am I talking too much? Okay. So this is how one can trade the double zigzag like a pro. So like I said, like a pro means use different time frame method. When the double zigzag is completed and you have identified it, draw that pitchfork tool. Very, very important. There are more tips that I can give, but I don't want the video to be too long. I'll be coming back with more tutorial to show you, okay, other tips that you can use if you are trading the double zigzag. Map out the chart, okay. Look for high probability trading setup on the edge, especially on the edge of the hotspot trading zones, and implement a different time frame trading method. Look for higher low. If the price is going to go up, you may form higher lows and higher high. You want to trade like a pro. You see, there's a channel. So right now, you see, do you see the channel? So that red line, we can draw a line to this point here and make it parallel to that red line. Can you see that? So we have a channel, a red channel. Nothing to do with the red square. Are you getting it now? That's it. The channel. Now it's out of the red channel. Normally I should be charging you for doing all this, but because we are friends, oh George, you like money. Everybody like money. Now this to make you laugh a bit, all right? Breathe in, breathe out. I'm serious, okay? So what am I doing now? Okay. We are projecting the red channel. Correct. You see, you are no more ordinary trader. You are improving big time. Okay. And that red channel also has a media line. Now we have again another hotspot trading zone there. Any question, suggestion, lament, blah, blah, blah? Be sure to put in the comment section. And of course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If the video has been useful to you, please give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Tumblr, Twitter, and Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Elliott Waves, DG2, DG4, Elliott Waves in plural. Click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to trade double zigzag pattern like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching. I mean it. Thank you for watching.